Hey guys, I love this paint company called TriArt, okay? They're Canadian. Do not hate me if you're an artist. This liquid mirror is about $40 and I love it. And if you're a bougie girl like I am, you'll love it too. Don't get mad at me. I didn't price it, but this is what it is. And guess what? In America, finally, you guys can buy it at Floetrol Company. I'm so excited. This is liquid mirror. Let's use it because it's going to be pretty. I'm just putting a bit down. A little bit goes a long way. What else am I doing? I don't even know. I haven't even planned. I've been so excited. Oh, why don't I do, because you know what else I'm gonna use? Oh, this is quite thick. This is Amsterdam Sky Blue. I mixed up some phthalo turquoise for Cell Activator, the TriArt. I haven't tried that either. This is TLP Unicorn. So pretty. It shifts to like a pinky purple. You'll see in a minute. Okay, and I'm gonna top it off with, this is Amsterdam Blue Violet. Okay, now I haven't used this yet. This is the Cell Activator. I've just been like mixing. This is TriArt Phthalo Turquoise. I don't know how it's gonna, if it's gonna look nice. You guys will tell me. Okay, ready? Oops. My blowing is funny today. Just ignore that. It's looking nice. I was blowing kind of gingerly because I don't know how it would react. Look at these little guys, because that liquid mirror really makes cute little cells. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's give it a little spin. These are gonna be really big cells. I don't know if I'm gonna like them or not, but we love these guys. The reason these are big is because I left Cell Activator on there and it kind of just kept growing, but we'll see. Okay, hello, liquid mirror, okay? That's what you get with your liquid mirror. And you know what? The Cell Activator is also quite nice. I bet their titanium white would be really nice too. Okay, it does give because the liquid mirror is almost like making your cells even bigger. It's like pushing away the Cell Activator. So there. I hope you guys enjoyed this liquid mirror TriArt. Don't get mad at me, but if you like it, it's $40. Floetrol Company. Let me know what you think. Is it worth it? I mean, I didn't do it super justice, but at least you can kind of see the pretty color. Okay, close-up time. Bye-bye.